Let's discover 3 stunning places in Canada. Buckle up, travel enthusiasts. First up, Banff National Park. This alpine wonderland is a paradise for nature lovers. Picture this: crystal clear lakes, rugged mountains, and lush forests. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just soaking in the views, Banff has it all. Don't forget to visit Lake Louise. It's Instagram gold. Next, let's head to Quebec City. Step back in time with cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and historic architecture. The iconic Chateau Frontenac is a must-see, standing tall over the St. Lawrence River. And oh, the food! Poutine, maple syrup treats, and more. Your taste buds will thank you. Last but not least, Vancouver. This vibrant city offers the best of both worlds: stunning cityscapes and breathtaking nature. Explore Stanley Park, a massive urban oasis with scenic seawalls and lush greenery. Don't miss Granville Island for a dose of artsy vibes and delicious local eats. And if you're feeling adventurous, head up to Grouse Mountain for epic views and outdoor fun. So there you have it, folks. Banff National Park, Quebec City, and Vancouver. 3 incredible spots that showcase the diverse beauty of Canada. Pack your bags and start your Canadian adventure today. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more travel inspo. Catch you in the next reel.